In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort and filter in Wrike. Wrike is a powerful tool for managing tasks and projects, but it only becomes truly useful when you can quickly find exactly what you need. That's where sorting and filtering come in. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use the filter and sorting options at the top of your Wrike workspace, so you can organize your tasks in a way that actually works for you. First, make sure you're in a view that supports filtering and sorting, such as the list view or the table view. At the top of your task list, you'll see a bar with different options. Look for the one labeled Filter. This is your main control for narrowing down what you see. Click on Filter. When you do, a panel or drop-down will appear, giving you a set of options to refine your tasks. Depending on your setup, you might see filters for things like task status, assignee, date, folder, or custom fields. Use these options to show only the tasks that are relevant to you right now. For example, you might filter to see only active tasks, or only tasks assigned to you, or only items due this week. Take a moment to adjust these filters until the list on your screen matches what you need to focus on. Once you have the right tasks on the screen using filters, the next step is to put them in a logical order. Right next to the filter option at the top, you'll see another control related to sorting, often labeled as default sorting or something similar. This defines the order in which your tasks appear. Click on the default sorting option beside filter. A list of sorting choices will appear. Common options include sorting by date, by priority, by status, or alphabetically by task name. Choose the one that best matches how you like to work. For instance, if you want to tackle the most urgent work first, you might sort by due date so the earliest deadlines appear at the top. If you're planning at a higher level, you might sort by status to quickly see what's in progress, what's completed, and what's still waiting to be started. After you've set both your filters and your sorting, take a quick look at your task list to confirm it reflects your current priorities. Remember, you can always click filter again to adjust what's shown, or click the sorting control to change the order as your needs evolve. And that's it. By simply using the filter option at the top and then choosing your default sorting right beside it, you can turn a messy task list into a clear, focused view that makes working in Wrike much more efficient.